Day Oppo A92s unboxing and first look. First looked box. Box looking length. In south the box front side link mini box front SIM eject pin. Inside free case here, TPU case, quality not bad. More main box front mobile phone. See guys, phone looking nice. It's covered on plastic cover. Back camera cutout look like Google Pixel 4. Do you like camera setup? Mine not bad, not bad. More box inside, AC adapter, it support 18 watts. More box inside Type-C cable, Type-C to USB, not bad. Last headphone, overall everything here. First look phone guys. Side mounting fingerprint and dual punch hole. Cool phone. First look phone back side. Quad camera setup camera, main 48MP camera and second 8MP ultra wide, third 2MP depth and 2MP macro. Camera setup look like Google Pixel, but quad camera design lightly different. Anyways, I like it. First look phone display. Display come with 6.5-inch Full HD Plus resolution IPS display with dual punch hole display. It's LCS display but watching video and gaming color quality not bad. What about you think guys? Mine not bad compared to price. Dual punch hole 16MP main 2MP depth front for selfies. The Oppo A92s runs Android 10 based on Color OS 7 and is powered by a 4000 mAh non-removable battery. The Oppo A92s supports proprietary fast charging. The smartphone will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor under the hood, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that can be expanded via micro SD card.